There are times when you and your partner need to get back out and to exit an area quickly, with no time to grab the rope or to put your board on the sled. Here is a great technique you can use and master. With the ski coming towards the foiler slowly, foiler will flip his board tail first and hand it to the driver on the left side. Then the rider goes directly to the sled. Driver, standing with both feet on the left side, will grab the fuselage in the middle and lift the board to sit on the edge of the gunnel. When the rider signals ready, driver holds the board with left hand and drives the ski with the right hand. Watch your hands and face, keep them away from the foils.